Kathy, good sir. On tonight's episode, we're going to draw Spider Knights from Spider-Man Web Warriors, the Spider-Verse saga arc. Anyway, Spider Knight is a medieval form of Spider-Man, and he has a noble mission to defend his village against evildoers. And that includes Dr. Octopus, like Dr. Octavius, when he disguised himself as the alchemist. And let me guess, Dr. Octopus keeps the monster away unless you pay. I mean, if you pay. Anyhow, drawing Spider Knight is kinda easy. He even helped fight off against Electro's robot. There we go. Much like the cowboy form of Spider-Man, he too has a horse and is always prepared to defend himself. In medieval times, this is what Spider Knight's armor looks like. This is what Spider-Man's mark used to look like. And finished. There he is. That is how you draw Spider Knight. Oh yeah. Almost. Notice this one. There he is. Now he is complete. Who's your favorite character from the Spider-Verse? I like all of them. To find out more how to draw more Marvel characters like this, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. That's how you draw Spider Knights. Please like your walk and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which one of them you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.